One of my favorite parts of online content creation is that a creator's audience can just as easily post and make content of their own. It kinda levels the playing field. We're all enjoying content, some of us are sharing it with each other, and we're all inspired by each other. I know a lot of you guys make your own transit videos, or want to. So for that reason, I would like to formally announce Classy Whale's One Line Wonders Transit Video Contest. Here's how it works. You have until the end of September to make a YouTube video about one particular bus or train route. Just one. Nothing bigger in scope than that. This can be anything from a 60-foot track for a heritage trolley to the trans-siberian frickin' railway, but it has to be just one line. Also, no flight videos this time around, just to keep things a little more unified. By focusing on a singular route, I want you guys to really hone in on why that route matters, who it's for, what it's like to ride it, how it came to be, how it could be improved, whatever stands out to you the most. Basically, I want you to convince me to care about whatever route you choose. That's good storytelling. Your video can be in any style you'd like, and be any length you'd like. Just make sure it justifies that length. I'll be giving videos a score based on how catchy the title, thumbnail, and first 30 seconds are, how good the audio and visual storytelling is, how well your video is filmed, and how good your editing is. I will not be adding or docking points, based on the capability of your equipment. If you have an HD camera but wandery storytelling, I'm not going to pick you over someone with a grainy webcam telling a really good story. There will also be 2 categories for contestants. One for creators under 18, who will compete for bragging rights, and one for those 18 and above, who will compete for a $50 gift card for a transportation provider of their choice. Everyone who submits a video will get their creation shouted out in the results video, coming out in October. Please mention in your videos that they're for the Classy Whale One Line Wonders Challenge, and please create original content for this challenge. I will not accept videos uploaded before September 1st or after September 30th. I will also only accept 1 submission per contestant. If you have a second submission, you'll have to remove your first from consideration. Submit your creations on my Discord using the One Line Wonders channels, link in the description, and stick around to see what other people are making. Again, results will be out in early October. Happy creating!